Here's a fascinating thing, cuisine. Now, I do find it interesting in many regards how we take things that are meant for survival and just kind of make them into fun stuff, like running. We're meant to run so we can escape things, but now we have, sprinting for sport just cuz. So it's kind of interesting how we do that. But cuisine is especially fascinating. We've taken the fact that our body makes sugar taste good because it's a quick source of energy, and along with other many tastes in the world, basically just how our brain thinks, no, that's good, that's bad, that's not good at all, that's amazing, like sugar. And then we just use that and kind of in a way abused it to make various dishes. Like if you think about it, really, the way we make recipes, that's such a strange concept. We utilize the way our brain perceives food differently based on how beneficial it is to us and what it knows about survival. And we use that to make things taste good or taste just different. Even if things taste the same, people are going to make new dishes and sell it. So the fact that we took food as a thing for living and made it into that is kind of absurd. And we sort of did the same with drinks, but not to the same effect. Because a lot of people drink water not just because, it's, refreshing or whatever, but you just drink water because you need to. So water doesn't have the same extent as food. Because if everyone wanted to eat food purely for survival, then they would just, I wish we could, just make a dish condensed with a ton of nutrients, just everything you need to survive, just a ball of nutrients, and just eat it. And it would probably taste terrible. But if we did that and adapted society to get used to eating that, then that would benefit everyone. But we don't do that. But as I said, to drinks to some extent, not entirely, because, we do still have Frappuccinos and Gatorades and all of the weird names for alcoholic beverages, like hammered screwdriver. Lord knows, they just do really, really stuff. You could name one called Crocodile, Blanket, Teeth, Spaceship, and there you go. You'd have a new drink made with tequila and crumpling up a piece of paper and throwing it in and then using a Beyblade to spin it up. Alcoholic beverages are so... Drugs in general, drugs and alcohol are such a weird topic. I never understand them. But anyways, my point is, it's pretty funny of the many things we've taken normally for survival or just for getting along in general and turned into entertainment of some sort. We've done that with food, and it's quite strange. So how about we go to eating balls of nothingness? Why do we use this amount of ketchup and this amount of mustard for a hot dog? And then if you're weird, relish, because who really eats relish with hot dogs? Like, come on, are you really relish?